there! Today, I'll show you how to remove backgrounds in Canva on your PC. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First, create a new design in Canva. Then, select the background you'd like from the available options or upload your own image. Next, upload the image you want to remove the background from. Simply tap on Upload and choose your file. Once uploaded, drag and drop it onto your design. Now, click on your uploaded image and select Edit Image. Choose the Background Remover tool and wait for Canva to work its magic. Once the background is removed, click Apply to confirm the changes. Lastly, click Share and select the desired format to download your image without the background. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to remove backgrounds in Canva on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!